Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to test your emails properly, and I'm going to show you also what's the difference between the example send and send itself in Friendly Automate. So let's go to the emails, and like this is an email here. As you can see, there I have a send button and a send example button. Obviously, when I'm testing, I would automatically click on send example. But when you click on send example, some things won't be done properly. For example, when you send example, tokens will be not merged. So the fields won't be merged. So that means, for example, I have first name there, then it won't show the first name. Because when I send an example, then it's going to give me an address here and I can send to this address, but there's no person behind it. There's no first name behind it. There's no unsubscribe ID or anything. So because of that reason, the unsubscribe won't also work and the tracking also won't happen if you just send an example. But you can test the look and feel of your email. So let me open this email here. So this one, for example, won't be filled out. And also we have an unsubscribe here, this one. Let's open it. Oops. This unsubscribe URL, this is also a token. This won't be shown in our email when we send it out. Let's make a test like that. So I'm just going to save this. Save and close. And I'm going to send this example to my test address. Okay, I send it to my test address. I'm going to open it up and let's see what I receive. So I got the email, and what I see here is that news from your friends and summaries here, contact field, first name. So it definitely didn't merge. And my unsubscribe also won't really work. So I click on this one and I'm getting record not found. That looks like an error, really bad. But it doesn't mean that it's not working. Let's see what happens if we actually merge this email properly. And by merging properly, I mean that I have a segment here called the test segment. There is only one email in it, myself. I'm going to send it out to this test segment. So let's do real send. Oops, we should set up exactly which segment are we trying to send to. Contact segment, test segment. The segment, one contact. Let's do it. There is one pending contact, so I'm going to send it to 100, which is only going to be sent to one. Okay, this is done. One send, zero failed. Let's wait a couple of minutes and let's see if it arrives and how it arrives. So I have here the email. As you can see, my name is already filled out. So that works because the token is merged. The other thing is we're going to check here for the email unsubscribe. So I click on unsubscribe. It also says, okay, sorry that I'm, unsubscribing. I'm going to subscribe back, but that also does work. So to sum up one more time, the difference between the send and the send example is that when you send, the tokens are merged, first name, last name. Unsubscribe link is also working and the tracking is also happening. That means that you see that someone clicked your email. When you send the test, an example, then the name won't be merged. None of the fields, the unsubscribe won't work. You will get some kind of bad data error and the tracking won't show. So you will think that, oh my God, tracking not working. It's not correct. It is working, just not when you send the test. Test is really just for the look and feel of the email. So that's it.